Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Let's watch the video first. Can you guess our topic today? How do we say these verbs in French? These are some of the verbs that we will use today.
Je visite. Je visite. Je fais. Je fais. Je bois. Je bois. Je mange. Je mange. J'achète. J'achète. Je voyage. Je voyage. Je joue. Je joue.
Can you match up them now? Can you choose the right verb to use for each picture? In this slide and the following one, you will have all the expressions and sentences that you may need to write a nice simple postcard. So I want you to look at all these sentences and what do you have to write in every section. Now we will start writing a nice simple postcard. This is just a simple example of sentences that you may include in your postcard. These sentences, as you see, are not complete. So you have to complete them, of course, with the activities that you are doing, the places that you are visiting, and also the food that you are eating. Now, this is going to be a listening activity. So I want you to listen to me carefully. I'm going to read this postcard for you, and you will have to fill in the gaps with the missing words. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Salut les parents. Tout va bien en Martinique. Je visite beaucoup de monuments. Je fais des sports aquatiques. Je mange de la nourriture typique. Et j'achète des souvenirs. C'est génial. Je bois du coca. Il fait beau et chaud. Tous les jours. Je voyage autour de l'île en bateau. Quelle chance! À bientôt. Bisous, Martin. we are done for today. So there is no crown to submit this week. I just want you to review this video several times during the week and practice with the activities that you can find there to be ready for the crowns. I'm going to send the crowns next week. Good luck. Au revoir.